CEO. Could SailPoint see growth ahead as more companies adopt agentic AI tools and the problems that could come with them? SailPoint founder and CEO Mark McClain joins us live with the possibilities. Mark, first time you guys have crossed the 1 billion mark for annual recurring revenue. To me, that says your customers need the service enough to pay up for it. What do they like best? What are you providing them?
I think what customers are looking for today, Liz, and by the way, sorry, nice to see you again. I think what they're looking for today really is kind of a unified answer to this challenge they've been seeing in the human world, meaning how do their employees and even their what we call non-employee humans, contractors, business partners, et cetera, how they're protecting access to that data. Well, what's emerging now is all these non-human forms of identity, what's called machine access, but notably within that agent access, like these new agents that everybody's excited about are going to help us be productive and save work, just like the Starbucks CEO was mentioning. There's a lot of potential there and a lot of associated risk, because if these things are compromised or even if they behave in unexpected ways, it can expose data and cause risk for the organization. It's that tension that companies are wrestling with, and I think that's where SailPoint has a real opportunity to help them address those concerns.
Do me a favor, Mark. Can you give me a real-world scenario? You don't have to give the name of the company, because I know you wouldn't, but a real-world fear factor, a story that you saw where something happened before you guys were even a member here, or basically the company come in to seal these cracks.
The classic ones today, Liz, are sort of inadvertent exposure, which hasn't turned out to be very significant bad news for the company. Here's the simplest example that comes up a lot. You'll have like a relatively lower level analyst type person in an organization doing some sort of research, looking for information inside the business. This is a person inside the business doing research inside the business. And here's a classic simple example. They go off to look at some kind of analytics around, say, the pay structure of their organization and how compensation is getting handled. And the next thing you know, they're seeing the W-2s of everyone from the janitor to the CEO. Oof. They're not really supposed to have access to that data. Now, in that case, laugh about it. Oops, we got to fix that hole. But if that had been a bad actor trying to access data for a nefarious purpose, all of a sudden that's not funny at all, right? And it's this idea that these agents can go off and, quote, complete their task, return information that they think they're asked to get, but it's not information that was supposed to be exposed. Those are the kind of stories that are pretty prevalent out there, which is why people are excited, but a little cautious at the rate at which they're deploying these new agents.
It almost feels like investors were a little cautious when they first saw your earnings and now have become excited. I'm just talking intraday. Earlier, we put up the intraday chart. You guys were down somewhere between 4 and 5% in the wake of these earnings, even though you hit that 1 billion plus mark for the recurring revenue. And you look at this is a 1 month. Can we put up the intraday? Is that possible? There you go.
Yeah, there's
popping into positive territory, now up nearly 2% and climbing. They're warming up to understanding how potentially valuable the longer runway is for a lot of these companies. Tell me about who is your customer and who's signing up.
Great question, Liz. We've been fortunate for many years to be focused on what we call kind of that mid to large enterprise segment. If you put numbers around it, these are generally, as a proxy, organizations that have around 3,000 to 5,000 employees and up. We have a very strong presence in the Fortune 500. About half of those are companies that we serve today. The Global 2000, about a quarter of those are customers today. So strong presence at kind of the high end of many, many markets. We're very cross industry in our approach. And what they're all wrestling with is this desire to leverage their technology stack, particularly some of these new AI capabilities, while protecting their data. And these new capabilities, as we just talked about, sometimes inadvertently, and of course, more potentially damaging, intentionally bad actors might be trying to use these technologies to compromise and grab financial data, healthcare data, private information, IP, intellectual property. So it's this desire to protect this information that ultimately drives all the company's interest in SailPoint.
If you kept talking, your stock could possibly go up even more. It's now up 2.5%. Continuing to
ask me 5 more questions. No, I'm kidding. We'll sit with our time. Maybe it's rare that my talking continues to help the stock price. Let's say that's what it is.
Well, we're continuing to watch it, but this is a market turnaround. We don't often see that kind of move for a company that came out with earnings in the morning, and then as you turn around and you see what's going on, it's pretty interesting. Mark, good to see you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the time, Liz. Happy holidays to you and everybody in your world.
And to you too.
Appreciate it.